Most students are not fortunate enough to have an athletic field. Here at Washington Park, students have long enjoyed that benefit. However, this past year, it was time for a change. Granger Choe reports.
Students arrived back to school this September to find a new turf field constructed during the summer of 2021. The renovation solved several difficulties created by a grass and dirt field.
We decided to renovate the field so the students could enjoy it year-round. With the other fields, we had a lot of difficulty after it rained, and there were a lot of puddles, and we weren't allowed to come out at recess. So as I'm sure you remember, we would tell you to go on the blacktop only. Now, as soon as the rain stops, our students are allowed to enjoy the field and come play at recess.
Some teachers have already taken advantage of the new facility by conducting class outdoors. Gym class, however, has benefited the most.
Yes, the new field is better. We no longer have Lake Washington out in the middle of the field that we used to have to run around.
According to Ms. Capitelli, the new field cost $1.5 million and was designed for students to have much more space.
The design of the field is we chose to leave much of it open. We are able to utilize a paint, so if we want to put a soccer field or we want to do box ball, we can use this paint, which will only last for a day. So that's why, if you look, we have the majority of the field is open, and then we chose to do a baseball field here, and our students have been enjoying kickball on it.
This new addition to the school is both beneficial and very enjoyable for students and teachers.
I really like the new field because it's a lot better than grass, and I feel like with grass, whenever it rained, it was really muddy and it was really wet everywhere, and now we don't really have to worry about that. And also another thing was that the grass obviously grew and it got really long, so now with turf, it's just a lot better to use for sports.
I like that it's safe and that they're like bleachers now and you can sit down, and if you fall you won't get hurt.
I think, and you could probably answer this too, that they are really enjoying the new field. Students have been playing kickball. We have been out almost every day since school began, and they are all over really enjoying the turf field. So it has been a wonderful addition to our school.
While many people really like the turf, there are some people who would disagree with that.
The only thing I don't like about the field is that I have to empty my shoes out with the black grains 2 to 3, 4, 5 times a day.
As for the durability of this project, the field is expected to last at least 20 years. That means students will enjoy this artificial field for a long time. Granger Choe, TBN.